Hello, little chefs! Today, we're making the yummiest Play-Doh pizza ever! Let's go!
Pizza time!
I love pizza!
First, grab your dough.
Do you have your Play-Doh ready?
Roll it, squish it, smush, smush, smush!
Let's make it round like a big pizza plate.
What comes next? That's right! Tomato sauce!
With red Play-Doh, spread it all around.
Now it's time for the cheese!
Melty Play-Doh cheese! Let's ride the topping train!
Choo-choo!
Tomatoes! Pop!
Next, chives.
Let's roll, roll, roll a long wriggly worm.
And make sprinkles! Small, green sprinkles!
Next, brown, round shapes.
Do you know what they are?
Mushrooms!
Pat them on gently.
Last, make black rings.
Plop, plop, plop.
They are olives!
Wow!
Our Play-Doh pizza is done!
It's so pretty!
And so colorful.
Too cute to eat, but so much fun to make!
Yay!